Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we are going to unravel the mystery of planned maintenance systems, which are critical for efficient maintenance operations. We'll explain what these systems are, their benefits, the 6 must-have features, and how you can implement one in your operation team. So, let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Planned maintenance systems, or PMS, are incredibly useful tools that help maintenance teams keep track of recurring maintenance tasks. They ensure that each preventive maintenance task is carried out precisely as expected by managers, at set intervals. So what exactly is a PMS? It's a software system that enables maintenance teams and operators to plan maintenance tasks. They can request and schedule tasks in set intervals based on each asset's requirements. Once the work is done, the task is recorded as complete. Now let's dive into the benefits of a PMS. These systems help your team organize their maintenance tasks in a way that improves efficiency and reliability. The data provided by the system makes reporting and compliance a breeze. A good PMS will centralize maintenance and equipment management into one platform, maintain consistent records of all maintenance tasks, and provide easy access to information needed for maintenance planning and reporting. It will also define necessary tasks based on condition monitoring, meter readings, or calendar dates, schedule necessary tasks as needed, maintain up-to-date records on individual pieces of equipment, and keep records of stock counts for maintenance, repair, and operations items. The end result? Extended asset life, reduced maintenance cost, and decreased equipment downtime. Now let's talk about the 6 must-have features of a PMS. First up, work order management. This is a basic feature your PMS should have. It should allow you to easily create, assign, and manage work orders. Second, inventory management. Your PMS should help you manage replacement parts and equipment. It should allow you to log the number of in-stock parts you have for each asset. Third, meter reading software. This feature allows you to log meter readings for individual assets, helping you schedule maintenance based on data that's more reliable than a set number of days, weeks, or months. Fourth, preventive maintenance scheduling. This feature is central to keeping on top of recurring maintenance tasks. Fifth, downtime tracking. This provides insight into how often equipment fails and how long it stays down when it does. And last but not least, KPI dashboards and tracking. This feature makes it easy to access key performance indicators through a central software dashboard, helping your maintenance planner make important decisions. So you've decided to implement a PMS. What's next? First, gather your current data, then choose and install a software platform, typically a CMMS like UpKeep. That includes the features we just discussed. Next, plug in your data. Add assets and past work order data to your new PMS. Then, train your team to use the new software. And finally, keep an eye on KPI data and meet with your maintenance team to discuss further improvements. In conclusion, implementing a PMS allows you to manage your maintenance tasks in a precise and intentional way, make data-based decisions, and ultimately improve reliability at your facility. With the right system, implementation is easy, and the end result will be reduced maintenance and operation costs. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of planned maintenance systems, their benefits, the 6 must-have features, and how to implement one in your operation team. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. To learn more about UpKeep and how we can help you streamline your maintenance operations, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you improve your maintenance operations.